Hello, this is another social media post came on 6 bar 9 2019 Friday. This is an announcement which tells that there will appear some changes or phenomena in the atmosphere and climate which over the nations by names RUSS plus near its nations in also in the Euro-Continent nations, also in South-East nations, and these changes will appear next day's 4 p.m. evening, that is 7 bar 9 bar 2019 in the above nations, and this is a prediction which is in the types of announcement one from Tejeshwara, which he posted in his social media post, which came on 6 bar 9 bar 2019. In the above announcement, last section says that, and this special prayer services will safety against the above phenomena. So he gives and another notices below, and special prayer services will conduct in the next day, that is 7 bar 9 bar 2019 Saturday. Again, they read this announcement one in the type of predictions. Thank you.